whatever the business are done, whether it is loss or profit, we have to keep happiness only.
ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನು?
Before Corona, we had done good business. That time also online business was there. Because of online business only, not only bookshop, every retail shops has gone down because of online business.
ಇಷ್ಟು 2003 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್? ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಖುಷಿ ಬಂತು ಇದರಿಂದ?
Just we made our own house. Previously it was rental. Because from this business we earned some money to make my house residence. And some health is important. We see now we are now 70 plus. Now this time we can't do hard work or anything. Just we want to the rest of the life rest, relax.
Thank you so much, uncle, for giving us so much for all these years.